Right there. Come look at this thing.
Okay.
I don't care about snakes. I don't care about bears. I don't care about much. What I do care about is spiders. Dude. That thing is a tarantula. Okay, there it goes.
Holy cow, that thing is running fast.
Hey, here we go. Great. So now I'm going straight across. I'm going right over there to, it's called Keg Island. Hoping it's gonna be a little more chill. We're gonna camp there tonight. There may be a catch and cook if we get lucky. It's a big if. And if I see a big spider like that, going overboard. And this, the Cape Fear River, has sharks, gators. Actually, I just saw a gator in here the other day. I think this is gonna be it, man. X marks the spot, am I right? Let's see. So the tide comes up to here. So the only thing is I'm gonna have to make sure my campsite's like up here. Otherwise, my kayak will be taken away with all my gear. As long as there's no spiders. I don't care as long as there's no spiders.